you want to play peekaboo with the pumpkin? Hmm? You want to play peekaboo? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! What about the pumpkin? Do you want to play peekaboo with the pumpkin? Peekaboo! Did you find the treats? Say peekaboo! Peekaboo, Ricco. What did you get, Ricco? What did you get? What did you get for Halloween? What? You got your own little pumpkin. Look, you got your little treat bag. See? Look. It's so cute. It's scary. And we put your little treats in there for foraging. I know. You're scared? What's in there? Did you get it? You did it! Oh boy! You did it, Ricco! You have to say trick or treat. Say trick or treat. Too busy eating. I know. Is that good? Tell everybody what you got in there. See, little pecan halves pieces. Every once in a while is okay, right? Yeah. What else did we do? Cleaned out your pumpkin, washed it. What did we hide in there? You didn't see that yet, did you? And then we washed the seeds, roasted them because you like them roasted. I know. What about the pumpkin? Want some pumpkin? Pumpkin. You like the pumpkin? Now you had a taste of the treats. Now you don't want the pumpkin. I'm going to try cooking some later. And then we'll squash it. Look, Ricco. Come here. Look what you got in the pumpkin. Oh, what's that? Look. You got one more treat. You got one more treat. Did you see it? Look. Look, Ricco. Oh, what's that? What is it? Are you afraid of the pumpkin? You afraid of the pumpkin? Look. See? Come on. Okay, you have to go get it. Wait, show everybody how you get it. Oh, you got it. You got 2 treats tonight, no more. It's pistachios. That's it. That's your trick-or-treating. You gonna say Happy Halloween to everybody? Say Happy Halloween. Yummy, yummy. That's enough now, Ricco. You got more than you should. No more treats. That's enough. You can have your pumpkin. Here, this is part of the mouth. See? You can have a pumpkin. No? That's enough, okay? Okay, say bye, everybody. Say have a safe Halloween. Trick-or-treating. You got more than enough treats? Yep. Say love you guys, you and your squeaky little voice. Oh, you're looking for more treats in there, aren't you?